In this video, we will see how to install Apache web server on Windows operating system. A web server is a program that is responsible for serving web pages to the client upon receiving a request from the client. So let us see how we can install Apache web server on your Windows 10 operating system. Open your browser and search for Apache. Click on this link from apache.org. So apache.org, this is the official Apache website. From the downloads drop-down, select distributions. Here you can see a listing of all projects under Apache Software Foundation. Scroll down the list until you can see the project named HTTPD. Click on HTTPD. At the top, you can get source code for HTTPD project. Scrolling down, you can see a link, Apache server download page. Click on this link. Here you can see a link to stable release latest version 2.4.63. But we will not be using this link as it will not lead us to direct download page for Apache. Instead, we will go to the link above, which will show a list of third-party vendors from where we can download Apache for Windows. So we will click on this link. Here is a list of third-party vendors that provide Apache web server for download. From this list, we will be selecting Apache Launch. Click on the link Apache Launch. Two versions of Apache are listed for download. First one is 64-bit and second one is 32-bit. Click on Apache 64-bit version. This will start downloading Apache web server as a zip file. Wait until the download is finished. Once the download is completed, open the downloaded file. Right-click the zip file and select Extract to folder. So here is the extracted folder. Let us just open the folder and see what files it contains. You can see three files here. Important files are readme file and Apache 24 folder. If you open the readme file, you can check the installation instructions. Let us close this readme file for now. Next important part of download is Apache 24 folder. Let us open Apache 24 folder. It contains all folders and files that are required for installing and configuring Apache web server. As the next step, let us copy this folder and paste it inside C directory. It is possible to copy Apache 24 folder to any other location inside the system, but then it will require some configuration changes. So for ease of use, we will copy Apache 24 folder to C drive. Next thing we have to do is install Apache as a service inside Microsoft Windows 10. So first, let us see what are services inside Windows. In the search box, type services. You can see a services option. Click on that. So this is a list of programs that are installed as service inside Windows. From this list, you can select any service and start or stop that service. We are going to add Apache to this service list. If you open the folder Apache 24, you can see a bin folder. Opening that folder, there is a file named httpd.exe. This is the Apache executable file. We are going to add this program file as a service inside Windows. Let us minimize this for now. Next, open a new command prompt. Remember to open the command prompt as an administrator. So right click on the command prompt option and select Run Administrator. Click Yes to confirm. Now open the httpd.exe file inside the File Explorer and copy the location. Right click and copy. Now inside command prompt, using cd command to change directory to Apache 24/bin. Now we are inside C drive Apache 24/bin folder where the httpd.exe file is located. Now type this command httpd -k install and press enter. The command is executed successfully. You can click allow. Now we have installed Apache web server as a service inside Windows 10. To confirm this, open the services window again. Click on the green refresh button at the top. Now you can see Apache 2.4 is listed here. So this means Apache is added as a service inside Windows 10. You can manage Apache web server from here by clicking on it. From the left side, you can start the service by clicking Start option, or you can stop or restart the Apache service. You can check the Apache default page by opening your browser and inside the URL window, type 127.0.0.1 and press enter. If you see a result like this, it means Apache web server is working fine. IP 127.0.0.1 we used here is a special IP address that is pointed to the local web server. And as a response to this IP address, Apache is serving its default index page. To uninstall Apache from the services, open command prompt again. Make sure you are inside Apache 24/bin folder. Type this command httpd -k uninstall and press enter. The message says Apache 2.4 service has been removed. So this is how you can install Apache web server as a service and uninstall it inside Windows 10 operating system. Hope you find this video useful. If you find it useful, please do give a thumbs up and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.